I need a little help with this moto here. Got no spark. This thing ran perfect, pretty new. Rode it all day long one day, came home, killed it with the kill switch, washed it, accidentally left the key on overnight, and in the morning, no spark. I noticed some cracking on the back of the CDI, so I just pulled the plug, checked it, and no spark when you kick it, but as soon as you would turn the key switch on, you would get one blue spark that would go out, and that was it. So I changed the CDI, nothing. Changed the stator, changed the pulsar coil, changed the battery, changed the plug, changed the ignition coil, changed the ignition, all one at a time, trying it in between, and nothing. So I bought 3 more CDI boxes and none of them work. The last one I purchased, I get a faint blue spark almost every time I kick it, but not every time. Anybody have any advice? I'd sure love to know it. Thank you.